Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Heiken Ashi strategy for scalping and day trading. And this strategy can be used across Forex, stocks, or crypto. So if you are looking to level up your trading with a powerful technique that can simplify your chart reading and give you a clearer view of the market, then you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to be breaking down how you can use Heiken Ashi candles for both scalping and day trading. Whether you are new to the Heiken Ashi indicator or you are already familiar with it, you are going to get some actionable strategies to apply to your trading across multiple markets. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful and subscribe to the channel for more trading strategies and tips. So let's start by quickly reviewing what the Heiken Ashi candles are and why they are so useful for scalping and day trading. So this is how the Heiken Ashi candles look like. Alright, it's a unique type of candlestick that smooths out the price action, unlike regular candlesticks, which are based on open, high, low, and close prices. Now, the Heiken Ashi candles are calculated differently. They use the open, close, high, and low of the previous bar combined with the current bar to create a smoother price action. So this smoothing effect helps filter out the noise and gives you a much clearer view of the trend, which is crucial when you are looking for quick scalping opportunities or holding positions throughout the day. So this method of charting the smoothing effect of the Heiken Ashi candles help to filter out noise and gives you a much clearer view of the trend, which is crucial when you are looking for quick scalping opportunities or when you're holding positions throughout the day, right? So this method of charting allows traders to better identify the overall market trend, making it easier to spot trend reversals, breakouts, and other key price movements. Now that we understand what Heiken Ashi candles are, let us go over how to set up your chart. First things first, make sure you are using a charting platform that supports Heiken Ashi. Okay, most popular platforms like TradingView or MetaTrader have this option available, right? So simply select Heiken Ashi, and okay, if you do not have the indicator, you can download it as a custom indicator, right? And add it to your indicators library before you be able to use it on your chart. Okay, so when you're scalping or day trading, you want to be on shorter time frames. All right, for scalping, you can be using the 1 minute or 5 minute charts. Okay, for day trading, you can consider using the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart or even the 1 hour chart. Okay, these time frames give you enough information to spot clear trend shifts without too much noise. Make sure your chart is clean and you are only looking at the Heiken Ashi candles. All right, if you need, you can add other indicators to confirm your trades, but for now we are focusing on the power of the Heiken Ashi alone. The first and most important thing you need to do when using Heiken Ashi for scalping or day trading is identifying the trend. So here's how you can spot the trend with Heiken Ashi candles. In an uptrend, when you see a rise of consecutive white okay, I'm just trying to okay, let's see if we can make the background black so that we can see. All right, let us work with this. So when you see this, because these are actually the Heiken Ashi candles. Before, it was being interrupted by the candlesticks, the normal candlesticks. All right, but now we can have the clear Heiken Ashi candles. So for an uptrend, when you see a series of consecutive white Heiken Ashi candles consecutively, right? with no lower wicks or little or no lower wicks, it signals a strong uptrend. If the candles have small or no lower, shadows, it indicates that buyers are in control. Then for a downtrend, when you see a series of red, Heiken Ashi candles with little or no upper wicks, right? It shows that there's a strong downtrend. If the candles have small or no upper shadows, it shows that the sellers are in control. So sideways markets is a situation whereby the Heiken Ashi candles are alternating between white and red, okay, with small bodies and long wicks. So it usually means that the market is consolidating or moving sideways. So this is the time to be more cautious about entering your trades. So by recognizing the trend direction early, you can adjust your trading strategy to align with the market's movement. Whether you are looking to catch quick scalping profits or in the direction of the trend, or hold trades throughout the day. Now, let's talk about how to use Heiken Ashi for scalping. Okay, scalping is all about quick trades, usually in the 1 to 5 minute range, right? When you are looking to capture small price moves, you should be focusing on these, key factors, which are trend confirmation, your entry signals, and quick exit. So for trend confirmation, as mentioned earlier, you have to look for clear, series of white candles, all right? Or that's for an uptrend, or series of red candles for a downtrend to confirm the trend. So once you spot a strong uptrend, you can start looking for potential entry opportunities. Then for your entry signals, one strategy is to enter your trades when a Heiken Ashi candle changes color. For example, if you are in an uptrend, right? If you are in a strong uptrend, please ensure that it is actually a strong uptrend. Okay. Once you are in a strong uptrend and the candles are white, wait for a red candle, which is a reversal signal, but not just at the showing of one candle. Okay, get confirmation first. For example, you can ensure that that candle not only closes below the previous, but maybe you have a few lower highs and lower lows of that candle. Okay, you can see that this one did not exactly respect that structure, but you can see here that that structure was respected, so this would have been a good place to sell, right? Then this is an example of a sell. Then for your exit, just ensure that you exit quickly, because scalping requires quick exit. After your trade moves in your favor by a few pips or ticks, take your profits and get out. Okay, set your exit point just before you start seeing the opposite color candle signaling a potential reversal. Remember that it's important to use tight stop losses, because the moves in scalping are usually small, and protecting your capital is key. So a stop loss just beyond the last swing high or swing low can work well. For day trading, you are holding trades for a longer period, anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours. So here's how Heiken Ashi helps with day trading. First of all, your trend continuation is important. In a strong uptrend, if you see a white Heiken Ashi candle after a small pullback, right? For example, after this pullback, you just see a white candle. It's a potential sign to enter a long position. So the smooth price action makes it easier to spot these continuation setups. Then avoiding false breakouts is also important. One of the best advantages of Heiken Ashi for day trading is that it filters out false breakouts. Okay, since the candles are smoothened, you'll have a better sense of whether the trend is really continuing, or if it is just a temporary spike, right? Then for your exit strategy, for day traders, your exit strategy can be based on key support and resistant levels, right? Key support and resistant levels, could be, your exit strategy. For example, if you are in a long trade and the candle start to show signs of reversal, on getting to a resistant level, you can just exit quickly. Now, while Heiken Ashi is a powerful tool on its own, combining it with other indicators can help confirm your trades and improve your success rate. So you can actually use indicators like the RSI. Yeah, you can use indicators like the RSI, to measure whether the market is overbought or oversold, right? And this can help confirm if the trend is likely to continue or reverse. Then you can also make use of the moving averages, right? You can make use of moving averages. Okay, whether it's simple moving average or exponential moving average. Okay, it's a typical typically a signal to identify the overall market trend. Okay, if the price is above the moving average, you have buy signal rather. The price below the moving average, you have a sell signal. So by combining these tools, you can increase your chances of successful trades while using Heiken Ashi for clarity and trend identification. And that is a wrap on this video on the Heiken Ashi strategy for scalping and day trading in Forex, stocks, and crypto. Okay, by using Heiken Ashi candles, you can smooth out price action, spot trends more easily, and make more informed decisions, whether you are scalping for quick profits or holding trades throughout the day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth trading strategies and tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.